How to find your MEXC user ID. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily find your MEXC user ID using the MEXC application on your smartphone. First of all, open up the MEXC application on your device, and once you're inside the home page after logging in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. Now from the menu that appears on the screen, if you go to the very top, you'll see an 8-digit number displayed right next to UID. If you tap on the square stack icon right next to the user ID, you'll be able to copy your user ID on your device's clipboard. You might need your user ID for support or sharing, and that's it. Now you're ready for transactions, support requests, or anything else that needs it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.